Welcome to the Learning Expedition. This channel is dedicated to exploring diverse topics, providing insights, and enhancing your knowledge journey. Stay tuned for engaging content that will inspire and educate. Let's embark on this learning adventure together. Introducing the STROBE Statement, a crucial set of guidelines for reporting observational studies in health research. These guidelines ensure clarity, transparency, and completeness, enhancing the quality and reliability of research documentation. The STROBE Statement is designed to improve the reporting of observational studies. It ensures transparency and completeness, making research documentation more reliable and accessible. Let's delve into its components and significance. The STROBE Statement provides a comprehensive overview of guidelines for observational studies. It includes essential elements that enhance the quality and transparency of research, ensuring that findings are accurately reported and understood. The STROBE Statement, or Strengthening the Reporting of Observational Studies in Epidemiology, aims to improve reporting quality. It offers a checklist for authors, enhancing clarity and reliability in presenting research information. Key components of the STROBE Statement include a detailed checklist covering title, abstract, introduction, methods, results, discussion, and funding. Each section ensures comprehensive reporting, facilitating better understanding and assessment of research findings. The STROBE Statement is vital in research, enhancing credibility and reproducibility. By providing clear guidelines, it ensures consistent presentation of key information, fostering trust in scientific findings and aiding critical evaluation of methodologies and results. Implementing the STROBE guidelines is essential for improving research quality. It involves familiarizing researchers with the checklist and integrating it into every stage of the research process, ensuring comprehensive and transparent reporting. Researchers should utilize the STROBE checklist throughout the research process. This involves planning study design, conducting studies transparently, and ensuring comprehensive data reporting. These practices enhance study quality and its reception in the scientific community. Common challenges in implementing STROBE guidelines include varying familiarity levels and time constraints. These can lead to incomplete reporting. Overcoming these challenges requires commitment to high-quality standards and adequate training. To effectively implement STROBE guidelines, researchers should collaborate with co-authors, review the checklist, and provide detailed study descriptions. Transparency in data collection and addressing biases further enhance research quality and impact. Utilizing the STROBE Statement is essential for high-quality reporting in observational studies. By following its guidelines, researchers contribute to the transparency and reliability of scientific literature, strengthening the impact of their findings. Thank you for joining the Learning Expedition. We hope you found this presentation informative. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insightful content. Stay curious and keep learning.